Okay, everyone, never ever tamper with fire alarms in public buildings or even at other people's houses. That is a big no no. You don't tamper with fire alarms anywhere, even if you are going to somebody else's house and they got a fire alarm set up. You still don't tamper with that because are they your alarms? No, they're not. So don't tamper with them. Only do it with your own alarm, but if it's not your alarm, don't tamper with it. Only do it with yours only, not at somebody else's house with their alarms, and especially not in a public building. Fire alarms should never ever be messed with outside of your own house, especially in public buildings, even at somebody else's house. No. Bye.